Sonos Dolby Atmos soundbar has leaked, and this is the Sonos Lasso. Now, it will be Sonos' latest flagship soundbar. A lot has been made about this soundbar. In fact, I've talked about this soundbar just a while back. It's not that long back, but I've said that this will be the company's flagship for this year. Now, the reality is that the company has had the Sonos ARC as their flagship for several, for several years now, because that model was launched way back in 2020. It's been 4 years. It's an incredible soundbar, but now they have to upgrade. They have to have a new soundbar. So the Sonos Lasso would take over, and it would have some features that would more or less be a lot better than the ARC that is currently still selling. First of all, it retains the rounded exterior and the front mounted Sonos logo. There is a physical microphone mute switch on the rear that is that's ideal for privacy minded users. There is also going to be Bluetooth pairing button, which could hint towards Bluetooth connectivity coming to a Sonos soundbar for the very first time. This is in line with the Era 1, the Sonos the Era 1, and Era 300, the Sonos Era 300, which features Bluetooth support alongside Wi-Fi streaming through Sonos app. So this is big news report. Now, inside the bar is where you will see the biggest changes. Now, as per the leaks suggest, there will be some new upgrades. Like, for instance, there will be a new speaker technology that's originated by a company that Sonos bought back in 2022. Sonos acquired the Netherlands-based startup Mayht for $100 million, citing its development of a new revolutionary approach to audio transducers as its reasons for doing so. So they might have derived drivers reportedly leveraging neodymium magnets to create driver units that are smaller and lighter while retaining audio quality that you need. They go on to state that they will have some better design for this model than the previous ARC that they've been selling. That's one thing that they are working on immediately for you to enjoy. They go on to state that this Mayht derived drivers reportedly leverage this new neodymium magnets that will make your sound come out a lot better. Now, in terms of price, the reported price, at least this is leaked rumored price, not official, is going to be around $1,200 if you're in the US, but in the UK it is going to be £925. That's just the reported price tag. It's not official. It's quite interesting. The original ARC launched for £800 and around $800 in the United States. So if this launches around $1,200, it will be a significant bump in price. But share your thoughts down below, guys. Let's have a discussion about Sonos' new Lasso soundbar. It's coming to the market very soon, so you have to be patient. Subscribe to the channel, do share the video, and I'll see you guys very much next time.